Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Trading Disabled MT5. If you're seeing a Trading Disabled message in MT5, this quick adjustment may help resolve it. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the setting that often causes this issue and show you how to enable it properly inside the app. Follow along carefully and make sure each change is confirmed before moving on. To begin, open the MT5 app on your device. Once the platform has fully loaded, give it a moment so all menus and trading features appear correctly. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the main trading screen before changing any settings, since that will make the next steps easier to follow. Next, look at the top area of the app and click on the option menu. This is where MT5 keeps several platform settings that affect how trades are placed and managed. Opening this menu is important because the Trading Disabled issue can sometimes happen when a required trading permission has not been turned on yet. After that, find the checkbox for one-click trading and click it to enable the feature. This setting allows MT5 to process trading actions more directly, and in many cases it must be activated before the platform allows you to place trades without restriction. If the box is currently unchecked, that may be the reason you're running into the problem. Make sure the checkbox is visibly selected before continuing. Once you've enabled one-click trading, click OK to confirm the change. This step is important because simply selecting the checkbox may not apply the setting until you approve it. After clicking OK, the platform should save your preference and update the trading permissions associated with that setting. At this point, you can return to your trading screen and check whether the issue has been resolved. If needed, give the app a few seconds to refresh. In some cases, reopening the trade window can help confirm that the setting has taken effect. That's all it takes for this fix. By opening MT5, accessing the options menu, enabling the one-click trading checkbox, and confirming with OK, you can often clear the Trading Disabled message quickly. If the issue still remains after this, double-check that the checkbox stayed enabled and that your app accepted the change properly. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helped you get back to trading in MT5 smoothly.